the volcano, and then my name is Bo. So I came back from the Philippines.
What are we doing today?
You know what we're gonna do tonight?
What?
We're gonna do an episode of the volcano, making us have to stir it. And then first things first, safety glasses. You have to also wear safety glasses.
Okay.
Because I know you're gonna do it.
Here. Half a scoop. Half, just half, like that.
Half like that. Where are we gonna put it?
Inside.
Inside a volcano?
Mm-hmm.
And here,
Half
what?
of this one.
What's this? What's
Half
this
of
one? What's this one? That's pepper? This pepper, Papa?
No.
Well, let's mix it. Let's mix it. We're gonna add more salt.
Mix it until it's, don't mix it too hard, okay? Just soft. Slowly.
Until it turns into lava. How's it gonna turn into lava? Have to keep on mixing it and turn it.
Yeah.
And then let's put the water.
Don't.
The water.
Not yet. That's why we have to use this. You gotta mix it.
Use a syringe.
Yeah, mix it well. Okay?
Yeah, mix it well. Have to suck it.
No. This one. With the water. Just a little bit. Okay, slowly. Whoa. Whoa, it's a lava. It's a volcano. It's gonna erupt. Okay. Whoa.
Do you have to add more? Add more? Okay.
There, half a scoop. No, you get no more water, just this one.
Just that one, so it will erupt.
Here, put this in there. Put it in there. Put it inside. And put this in there.
Hey, you're pulling my glove.
Put that in there. Oh. No spilling, remember?
Look, it's turning.
Okay, put some more water. Oh, you have to mix it first.
You have to mix it, okay. Turning into a volcano.
More water. More water.
Whoa. It's erupting.
Come on. Put some water.
Uh-oh, too much.
Okay, that's okay. Go.
And then add more.
That's enough. Wait for it. Whoa.
Ooh. Is it erupting yet? Wait for it.
Wait, let's get some more. Hold on.
Yeah.
No, touch it, please. Okay, let's do it again. Here.
Put it in there. No! I need it to erupt.
Not yet. You gotta put some.
We lost
Okay, put some half a scoop.
half a scoop because
Actually, put a whole scoop.
whole scoop.
Okay, don't spill it. This one, whole scoop.
Whole scoop.
Stir. Slowly. Let it stir.
Done.
Okay, put the water.
Put the water, yay! Time for it to erupt. A little bit. Okay.
Watch your sleeves. Whoa.
More.
Whoa.
It's erupting. Need to add more. It's erupting. No, need to put. It's erupting.
It's like lava.
Why is it not melting?
It's like lava. Look, see?
Is it coming out?
Yeah, look.
Wait for it to come
Right here,
out.
Look.
Ooh. It's coming out on this one.
Mm-hmm.
That's to protect it. I'll wait for it to fall. It's a volcano. That's where people die.
What do you mean?
This is where if they will burn themselves in there.
Okay, let's try another one.
Another one. Try another video.
Oh,
I'm gonna do more.
put some more. Okay.
Some more. We're still gonna do it.
Okay. Put.
I'm still learning
Hold
how.
one scoop. Do not spill it.
A whole scoop.
There you go. Put another scoop.
And why another one? That's it?
Put 2 scoops of this.
2 scoops of this.
Put some more. Put a little bit more. One more.
3 scoops.
Okay. Now water.
Now water. But, hey, you're pulling my glove. Why pulling my glove, Papa? You're pulling my glove. Whoa.
Wait, you forgot to stir it.
Stir.
Whoa.
Whoa. Mama, look!
It's in the laundry?
Volcano. Whoa. The volcano is shooting lava.
Yep. Whoa, it keeps coming out.
Keeps coming out.
Yeah.
It's getting bigger. Maybe it's gonna explode on us.
Allah.
Hello.
Allah.
Why did you drop it?
Allah.
Hello.
Hey, water.
Water. Until we finish this water.
Your shirt.
Oh shit.
Allah. Arms gonna be lava.
No. Whoa. Add more water. Little. I want it to keep running. Papa, I keep on putting more. You know, I want it to keep on running. Whoa! Papa, it's erupting. Look.
Wow.
Look. Hi guys, this is a volcano. It's erupting. Kept on running.
Don't forget to.
Like and subscribe.
What's my name? What's your name?
My name is Bo.
Tune in for the next episode.
Tune in for the next episode.
Goodbye.
Bye. Next